4JJ1 Isuzu 2008 to 2012 4JJ1 motor. Trying to do the alternator on this one. Initially remove the computer bolts. There are 3 bolts. One is here, one is there, and one on the slide bolt here. The reason we did this, the number 12 bolt for the airbox assembly was under it, so to get to that there are 3 bolts to that. 1, 2, 3. Put it outside, put the top bit outside. You can leave that pipe connected, disconnect that sensor. Alright, let's do the alternator. So the alternator is just right there. First we're going to lose the bottom bolt because that's going to let us have a little slack to move further, so we can remove the drive belt. Alright, so I've put it, you need number 14 for the bottom, 12 for the top, same for the tensioner, number 12 as well. So I'm just losing a bit, see I've got a little bit of slack. Alright, since we got that one done, number 12 an angle ratchet, electric motor, not strong enough, I just give it a crack. Okay, loose enough. Now we just go lose the tensioner. The alternator just going forward. Maybe not, maybe. Sometimes because it's a red dirt car, we probably have to smack it a bit. Push it forward. My trusty hammer. My trusty hammer. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. It's going further. Okay. For the top bit, we can remove that all the way because we don't need that for now. Okay. Let's just use a little bit of hand, a little bit of hard work. Pull that there. Okay, push it forward. Yeah, and now undo the bottom one fully. So I'm just going to use my trusty angle ratchet. Anyways guys, this is King Chrome. Lifetime warranty, expandable. You can do this as well. Flexi head, one of the best thing I ever invested in. I've got all three sizes. So just I thought I'll share with you guys what's my tool choice. Of course, yeah. Alright, I just noticed we need to put some sort of spanner at the back to hold that bolt. That's why it just keeps spinning. Alright, just give me a few seconds. So that looks like to me number 17, I believe. So let's find the simplest. Number 17. Spanner there. I bent it for another job, but hopefully it still works. Yeah, that's too big. Probably need 16, I believe, or 15. Let's guess, since it's an Isuzu, could be, it's either 15. Well, let's try 16 first. Not too big. Let's try 14, I believe. It's too big. Alright. While you're here, please subscribe. That will mean a lot. I'm not lately feeling well, so if you guys actually make me what they call it, fucking if you make me, no, what do you call that thing? Monetized, yeah? If you want, can get the cars to do it more for the future. Alright, that spanner is there. It's gonna lock itself. Voila. Let's just put my phone here. You guys can watch me do. Okay. So I've got the bolt, but that long bolt is stuck in there because of the, but you can use this in there and then push it out while you're twisting it. Come on. Oh my God. That is in there. Alright, I need a smaller socket. So probably a smaller size on it because the other one is hitting the fan, but it's nearly out. Okay. Got it out, so it wasn't coming out, so what I did, I just put that there and then pushed it while I'm twisting it with the machine. Just popped out like a long screw. Anyways, all right, let's just move that belt away, push it forward. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. All right, we need to do the one for live positive at the back. We need to remove that bolt as well. I normally just break it off before I do that because it's just easier that way. That is stuck in there. Need that crowbar. Probably use my hand. There you go, boom, boom, boom. You go back and forth. Oh, that is tight in there. That's a silly. We'll probably have to undo that bracket because that's what is not letting it come out because it's bent there. So we'll undo that bracket from there as well. Okay. Upper bracket. I'm not going to take it out all the way. It's not need for that. See, now we've got more legal space. Probably remove this now as well. It's hard to work with one hand. Just for you guys, mate. Just for you guys. So this is probably number 12 there as well. trust the machine again. Number 12. Let's get that number 12 socket. Smaller one so it doesn't hit the engine itself. Go. Voila. What is that? There we go. It was on reverse. Oh. Just use a 12 spinner. There you go. Hard to do with one hand. Alright guys, so I'll undo that bolt quickly. Just need 2 hands to hold one on there and come back. Okay, so you needed to use a little bit WD-40. You managed to get that out. Let's just put that there. There we go. So you need to disconnect that connector as well. So that goes boom, 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 boom. Alright, let's just bring that bad boy out. Alright, let's compare this one with the new one. That's the old one. There's the new one. There you go, guys. Nice, nice. Beautiful. Alright, let's just check that back in.